Welcome to this comprehensive guide on when to use Uniswap V2. Uniswap is a popular decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. In this tutorial, we will explore the key concepts and practical examples of using Uniswap V2. Firstly, it is essential to understand the basics of Uniswap and how it works. Uniswap is an automated market maker protocol that uses a constant product market maker model to facilitate trades. This means that the protocol uses a mathematical formula to determine the price of assets based on the supply and demand in the market. To determine when to use Uniswap V2, you need to consider the benefits it offers. Uniswap V2 provides a range of advantages, including improved liquidity, better price execution, and reduced slippage. It also supports more assets and has a more user-friendly interface compared to its predecessor. One of the primary use cases for Uniswap V2 is for trading less liquid assets. If you are looking to trade a relatively unknown or illiquid cryptocurrency, Uniswap V2 may be the best option. This is because the protocol can provide better prices and more liquidity for these assets compared to traditional exchanges. Another scenario where Uniswap V2 is useful is when you need to execute a large trade. The protocol's automated market maker model can help to reduce slippage and ensure that you get the best possible price for your trade. Additionally, Uniswap V2 has a feature called flash swaps, which allows you to execute multiple trades in a single transaction, making it ideal for complex trading strategies. When using Uniswap V2, it is crucial to follow best practices to minimize risks. One of the most important things to consider is the liquidity of the asset you are trading. If the asset has low liquidity, you may experience significant slippage, which can result in substantial losses. It is also essential to monitor the market and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. In conclusion, Uniswap V2 is a powerful tool for traders and investors looking to navigate the decentralized finance space. By understanding the benefits and use cases of Uniswap V2, you can make informed decisions about when to use the protocol and how to maximize your returns. Remember to always follow best practices and stay up to date with market developments to ensure a successful trading experience.